Okay, class, I'm going to walk you through one problem on IXL skill J.8. The question says, one morning, Erica was reading the back of a cereal box. She learned that most people use a half a cup of milk in their cereal. Curious about how much milk her father actually puts in his cereal, she started measuring. She recorded her results. On Monday, her father used 1 and 2/4 cups of milk in the cereal. On Tuesday, her father used 1 and 3/4 cups of milk in the cereal. On Wednesday, her father used 1 and 1/4 cup of milk. On Thursday, it was 1 and 2/4 cups of milk. On Friday, it was 2 cups of milk in the cereal. And on Saturday, it was 1 and 2/4 cups of milk in the cereal. The question says use the data in the table to complete the line plot. Click to select the X's. To clear a column, click on the number line below. So it says the amount of milk in cereal. So cups, 1 cup. If I go to my chart here and see, did the father use 1 cup of milk in his cereal on any of the days? Well, I don't see 1 cup on any of the days, so I'm not going to click any of the X's. 1 and 1/4 cups of milk in the cereal. Did the father use 1 and 1/4 cups of milk? Well, not on Monday, not on Tuesday, but yes, on Wednesday, the father used 1 and 1/4. Not on Thursday, not on Friday, not on Saturday. So just on Wednesday, one time the father used 1 and 1/4 cups of milk, so I'm going to select 1X. 1 and 2/4 cups of milk? Well, I see on Monday the father used 1 and 2/4. I see on Thursday the father used 1 and 2/4, and I see on Saturday. So that's 1, 2, 3 times that the father used 1 and 2/4 cups of milk in his cereal. 1 and 3/4, if I look up here, not on Monday, but on Tuesday, 1 and 3/4, the father used 1 and 3/4 cups of milk in the cereal. And it's not on Wednesday, not on Thursday, not on Friday, and not on Saturday. So there's only one time when the father used 1 and 3/4 cups of milk. So I'm going to click 1X. Then how many times did the father use 2 cups of milk? Well, I look, not on Monday, not on Tuesday, not on Wednesday, not on Thursday, not on Saturday, but I can see here on Friday that the father used 2 cups of milk, so that's just 1 time. So to check my work, I want to see how many X's do I have filled in. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 X's filled in, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. I'm going to click submit. And that's right. Thanks for listening, class.